Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a backup of your WhatsApp chats on Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Okay, first we need to launch our WhatsApp. Once we are here, click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now you need to find the chats, scroll down and click on Chat Backup. Now let's begin with the Google account. In here, select on which Google account you want to save your backup. The backup will be saved in the cloud of selected Google account. In my case, I'll stick to this one. Then, of course, if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Google account that you have selected right in here in this box. Okay, down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off, but in my case, as you take a look, I selected the monthly mode, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable feature, so if you want you can select between those modes available on the screen. I'll stick to monthly. Then we can include the videos in our backup, pretty useful thing. I highly recommend to turn it on. And down below on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's an extra security feature. It's not necessary to turn it on, but if you want, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future in the moment when you will restore your backup. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore anything. The backup will be simply lost. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to create it. Okay, we also need to have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, you need to tap on that and then click on clear space or get storage. And now to create a backup, hit this green button. The whole process will begin. In my case, it will take like 5 seconds because I don't have many messages on this account, so it won't take long. Okay, basically it's now done. As we take a look on the last backup, we can see current hour, we can compare, and it means that everything has been successfully backupped. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.